Today we are stopping by Golly G's Coffee, Ice Cream, and Sweets location in Clarksville. You can find homemade ice cream, cakes, pies, and other yummy things. Now they're going to give us an exclusive look into one of their signature recipes.
We're going to be making our strawberry cheesecake ice cream made with locally grown strawberries and locally sourced dairy. One of our most popular ice creams for this time of year. We start off with our locally sourced dairy mix. This already has the right amount of sugars and stabilizers in it. This one bag is 2.5 gallons, and that will make 5 gallons of finished ice cream. What happens is our machine mixes air, folds air into the ice cream as it freezes, which gives it that fluffy, creaminess that Americans are used to in their ice cream. All right, so we're gonna set this aside.
Okay.
And we're gonna pull out our cream cheese. I've got a little bit of my ice cream mix here that's reserved, and we're just gonna basically create a slurry.
So the slurry basically is gonna act like another agent to further cream the ice cream, make it creamier, and give it that cheesecake feel to it.
All right, so now that we've got this blended, I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar, a lot of sugar. It has to be at least a 30% sugar solution, otherwise it creates an iciness that we don't want in our ice cream. All right, so we're gonna fold this now into
your original ice cream base?
The ice cream base. A little bit of vanilla. What we have now is the ice cream mix that's ready to freeze. Now, but you can go ahead and start tasting a little bit.
Well, thank you.
Of the ice cream, what the ice cream's gonna come out like.
Oh my gosh.
Really creamy.
Super creamy. And you get the cheese, the cream cheese right away.
Right.
And the vanilla just gives it that little something extra. It's great.
So our next step now is to take this into our batch freezer. It will make a batch of ice cream in 10-11 minutes or so. All right, so our ice cream has now been churning for about 12 minutes. So we'll layer a layer of ice cream, some cheesecake, basically a compote of fresh sliced strawberries to give it what we call a variegate, but it's basically a ribbon or a swirl.
Oh wow, it's so fluffy. It's good just on its own.
Right. All right, so we're ready for the finished product. We've got some here in our scooping cabinet.
Perfect scoop. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, here we go. Perfect little bite of cheesecake. Swirl in it. Oh my gosh, this is delicious. Thank you so much for sharing this with us.
Absolutely, my pleasure.
So good.
Y'all come out and try any of our 38 flavors of ice cream that we have.
You won't be disappointed, I promise.